Good day, everyone. My name is Carl Lawrence Glenn El Canto, and I will be discussing my report about the latest innovations and advancements related to my field, which is computer engineering. My report entitled Smart Energy Management under Internet of Things. So, let's begin. For this agenda, I will be discussing the following: background of the study, objectives, smart energy management, energy storage conversion, smart grid and sensors, smart appliances and home automation, conclusion, recommendation, and the references I used. Energy and electricity have been vital to society. Appliances, lighting, transportation, and technology are being operated with the help of electrical energy. But electricity usage and energy have been a major problem for residential and commercial industries due to the increase in electricity rate. According to Meralco, the March 2024 electricity rate is 11.9397 pesos per kilowatt hour, which is a slight increase compared to February 2024 with an electricity rate of 11.9168 pesos. This major issue can be solved with the help of smart energy management. Smart energy management is a method of transforming residential and commercial industries into energy efficient. For residential areas, some examples are smart thermostats, wherein the device uses artificial intelligence to optimize the heating and cooling systems, thus reducing energy consumption and providing maximum efficiency. For commercial areas, one good example of smart energy management is solar power integration, wherein solar panels are installed at the top of the establishment and then transform solar energy into electrical energy, thus providing businesses with clean energy. One corporation that implements this is Alaska Milk Corporation located in San Pedro, Laguna. The objectives of this report is to discuss the benefits and risks of installation of smart energy management in residential and commercial areas, discuss the facts about smart energy management in correlation with chemistry, and lastly, provide recommendations. For this report, I will be discussing to you the three main examples of smart energy management. First is energy storage conversion. Second, smart grid sensors. And lastly, smart appliances and home automation. Energy storage and conversion. One good example of energy storage conversion is batteries. When implementing smart energy management, specifically solar panel integration, batteries plays a crucial role since they can store and release electrical energy. Lithium-ion batteries, for instance, rely on chemical reactions between lithium ions and electrode materials such as graphite or transition metal oxides. These reactions stores and release electrical energy. Another good example of energy storage conversion is fuel cells. According to the US Department of Energy, fuel cells use the chemical energy of a fuel and convert it into clean and efficient electricity. Fuel cells utilize electrochemical reactions to convert chemical energy from fuels like hydrogen directly into electricity. The oxygen reduction reaction, or ORR, and hydrogen oxidation reaction, or HOR, are fundamental processes in fuel cells. To differentiate the two, the batteries and fuel cells, a battery stores energy and uses it, while fuel cells provides electrical energy by converting available fuel. Next is smart grids and sensors. One example of smart grid and sensors is chemical sensors. These devices detect any chemical information, such as pressure and concentration, in an electrical signal that will alert the person in charge of any suspicious activity. Chemical sensors are divided into different types: optical, electrochemical, mass, magnetic, and thermal. These sensors also detect gas leaks, monitor air quality, and assess environmental conditions. They rely on chemical reactions between target molecules and specific sensing materials. Another example of smart grids and sensors is redox reaction. An oxidation reduction or redox reaction is a reaction that involves the transfer of electrons between chemical species, the atoms, ions, or molecules involved in the reaction. Redox reaction or oxidation reduction reaction are essential for energy storage and grid stability. For example, redox flow batteries use reversible redox reaction to store energy. Last but not the least is smart appliances and home automation. One good example of smart appliances and home automation is energy efficient lighting. Light emitting diodes, or LEDs, rely on semiconductor materials doped with specific elements such as gallium, indium, and nitrogen. These materials emit light efficiently. Another example is smart thermostats. Chemical sensors and feedback mechanism help regulate heating and cooling systems for energy saving. The benefits and risk of smart energy management. The benefits of implementing smart energy management for residential and commercial areas are: minimize carbon emissions in buildings, ensure green energy goals, and lastly, no more unnecessary energy bills. While some of the risk of smart energy management is privacy concerns and security concerns. Privacy and security concerns are one of the main issues of smart energy management. You are exposed to hacking and identity theft. In summary, the chemistry behind smart energy management encompasses material science, electrochemistry, environmental consideration, and efficient energy utilization. By leveraging chemical principles, we can create sustainable and intelligent energy systems for a greener future. Some of the recommendations for using smart energy management are: invest in this technology since they promote a greener future. Conserve energy like turning off lights and other appliances when not needed. Use LED lights too. Research thoroughly the devices that relate to smart energy management. Here are the references I used. Thank you and have a good day.